Here we have the 700 series blower from Stiga. The SAB 700 AE blower really does emphasize what the whole 700 series range is all about. Firstly, it is extremely well built and sturdy. This is a premium blower and you really can see that in the build quality and the materials used. There are no cheap and brittle plastics here. The performance stats of the blower are also impressive due to a 500 watt very reliable brushless motor. There are 3 power settings that you can choose from depending on if you are tackling delicate, intricate tasks or if you are tackling a wet and stubborn cleaning job. The highest power setting will deliver an airflow of 200 kilometers per hour and a very respectful volume of 35 cubic feet per minute. If you were to opt for a 4 amp hour battery with this blower, you're going to see run times of 120 minutes in economy mode and around 20 minutes at full power. To get a longer run time, you can easily opt for a larger amp hour battery or even bring in the Stiga backpack, where 2 batteries can be utilised for the ultimate runtime extension, and also adds the advantage of storing the battery weight on your back rather than in your hand, which is perfect for extended use. Operation is simple and yet refined with a digital control and very natural feeling trigger that makes the transfer from a petrol machine feel somewhat familiar. The position of the trigger and the weight distribution in this machine really balances it well, making it effortless to use. However, for extended use, a harness is provided, which can be attached on either side for left or right-handed use. We are now going to go and put this machine through its paces and clean up some stubborn autumn leaves, but I really do encourage you to try this product out for yourself, and I'm confident you will be impressed with this little powerhouse of a blower from the very start.